Let's look at the Threejs TypeScript boilerplate. If you've done all these preceding lessons, then you don't need to download this boilerplate and install it because you've already got it all, because we went through that. But if you did bypass all of this, or you want a boilerplate, a TypeScript boilerplate that demonstrates Threejs, just copy that, copy to clipboard, open up a command prompt, and we'll go to a folder. Say I'm going to go to my G drive, and then I'm going to right click and paste all that. And that's going to clone the repository, which is on GitHub. It's running npm install. It's now compiling the server and the client TypeScripts, and now it's waiting for us to press enter on npm run dev. Okay, so that's now started our server for us. Server listening on port 3000. If I visit that address in the browser, there we go, that's our cube. Now you can visit this GitHub project on GitHub here if you want. Okay, so the next section of the course starts. That's the Threejs specific section. And since I'll be using a lot of TypeScript, and if there's any TypeScript issues that you want to know more about, there's a lot of information all the way up here and even in here, all the way up to the beginning. So in the next video, we start looking at the Threejs scene camera and renderer. Very good.